Top 20 Most Intelligent Animals in the World. It is undeniable that humans are the most intelligent species in the world, with the ability to use language, reason, analyze, and create. However, alongside humans, there are other species whose intelligence surpasses the limits of human understanding. These species possess skills that humans cannot achieve. There are incredibly intelligent creatures that even astonish humans. The following list of the top most intelligent animals in the world will undoubtedly surprise you. Mouse. The mouse is a creature that spends its entire life living in hiding, be it in kitchens, burrows, or present on every continent in the world except for Antarctica. Cats are their natural enemies. These mice often reproduce at an astonishing rate and are notorious for being crop destroyers. Humans dislike mice, with up to 90% of people finding them dirty and destructive, but within its small brain lies the key to unlocking any door. Recently, mice have showcased their abilities and expertise in finding structural weaknesses in various constructions. Even in scientific research laboratories, no matter how many traps are set or how solidly built the structures are, occasionally a group of mice is seen sneaking in and out. They truly make scientists feel inadequate in their trapping efforts. Extremely agile and skilled, like genuine ninjas. Furthermore, numerous studies have shown that mice also experience emotions and even dream, much like humans. Particularly in Chinese culture, mice are revered for their agility and cunning nature. Octopus. The octopus is an invertebrate creature, covered in slimy mucus on its body, silently swimming across coral reefs, present in all layers of the ocean. Among the invertebrate species in the depths of the ocean, the octopus is the most intelligent. Despite long-standing research, scientists have yet to uncover all the wondrous abilities that octopuses possess. We can consider the octopus as the king of all mazes, as there is no maze that can hold them captive due to their navigational skills and short-term memory. They are agile, impressively fast, and possess a curious nature like polar bears. When it comes to hunting, they display remarkable strength, even though they lack any bones. Scientists have also conducted experiments to discern the octopus's ability to differentiate between two individuals with contrasting personalities, one being cold-hearted and the other being very approachable. In a short period, the octopus showed indifference and ignored the cold-hearted individual, while happily interacting with the friendly person it had encountered before. Pigs are gentle and easygoing animals, known to be the laziest creatures in the world. There are many types of pigs, but among them, the pet pig is renowned as the most intelligent companion animal in the world. Pigs are easy to raise, easy to care for, and they eat almost anything, which is why many people adore them. However, they can be quite picky eaters as they possess the ability to distinguish between poisonous and non-poisonous food. They can also use mirrors to find hidden food and employ unique tactics to deceive others in the herd and get more food for themselves. Pigs are also one of the fastest adapters to new and unfamiliar environments. According to scientists, pigs have an extraordinary long-term memory. They have the ability to locate objects and solve challenging tasks, such as finding their way out of mazes. Ants. You might be surprised to see ants on this list, but in reality, ants are among the remarkable creatures with notable intelligence. This is evident in their behavioral patterns. Ants exhibit food storage, aggression towards enemies, and the use of pheromones as chemical signals to communicate with each other when assistance is needed. Furthermore, they are capable of cultivating fungi, herding aphids, exchanging information, and launching military campaigns against adversaries. Biologist Lewis Thomas even stated that ants and humans share many incredible similarities. Moreover, ants are capable of learning. Research conducted at the University of Oxford reveals that when ants return from foraging trips, they often orient themselves by synthesizing the directions and distances they have previously traveled, constantly updating this information in their minds as they move. Additionally, they also teach each other the paths to food sources. Sea lions. Anyone who has witnessed the performances of sea lions in marine parks or zoos would no longer be surprised by the intelligence of these marine mammals. As mammals living in coastal areas from the Arctic to tropical regions, sea lions have remarkably large brains and complex nervous systems. This partly contributes to their excellent memory capabilities, with short-term memories lasting up to 3 to 4 months. Surprisingly, through a series of individual IQ tests, a sea lion named Rio in California has even become one of the few animals known to use logic in processing information. Additionally, sea lions exhibit a high level of coordination with each other. This is evident in their ability to coordinate with trainers in amusement parks, whether it's performing tricks or balancing a ball on their noses. In their natural habitat, this coordination proves highly effective during hunting or engaging in battles with adversaries in the vast open ocean. Otter don't be fooled by their cute and somewhat naive appearance, as otters are actually one of the most intelligent animals in the world. Otters often use and create tools to assist in their hunting and during their mealtime. They know how to use rocks or other hard objects to crack open shells, clams, snails, and other soft-bodied creatures, which are their favorite delicacies. Moreover, otters possess a very affectionate and adorable behavior of holding hands while sleeping. Since otters have a habit of floating on their backs in the water while sleeping, this can easily result in them being carried away from their territory by the current. To prevent drifting away to another location, otters will hold hands with each other, forming a strong and secure chain on the water's surface. Even when sleeping alone, otters know how to wrap themselves in seaweed to avoid being carried away by the current. Parrots. Among the bird species, parrots can be considered one of the most intelligent animals, almost on par with primates. Besides their ability to mimic human speech, parrots possess even more impressive capabilities in reality. In a study conducted at the University of Vienna, researchers discovered that parrots have intelligence levels comparable to that of a 3-year-old child, based on the results of intelligence tests conducted on various animal species. Specifically, scientists concealed a nut in one of 2 sealed boxes placed next to each other. Then, they randomly shook one of the boxes. Instead of displaying confusion or hesitation, the parrot immediately used its beak to accurately choose the box with the nut based on the sound it heard. Dr. Christian Schloegel shared this finding in the journal Proceedings of the Royal Society B, highlighting that this behavior has only been observed in great apes, but not in other animal species. Furthermore, parrots are renowned for their ability to imitate human actions and quickly learn how to use objects. Recently, scientists have also discovered that cockatoo parrots can engage in food exchange interactions with humans to obtain desired items. Psychologists note that this ability is rarely found in other animal species, except for humans. It can be said that parrots are among the most intelligent birds in the world. Killer whales. Alongside dolphins, killer whales are among the highly intelligent creatures in the ocean. According to researcher Giles, killer whale pods exhibit social organization, shared culture, and behavioral identification abilities that are only seen in higher primates. Some experts also agree with Giles's viewpoint, as through experiments and observations, they have discovered that killer whale brains are the second largest among all marine animals and possess an extremely complex structure. This enables them to easily distinguish objects in the water, thus never mistaking or losing track of their prey while hunting. Furthermore, some researchers have conducted experiments comparing intelligence levels between humans and killer whales. The results were truly surprising, as killer whales have an IQ score comparable to that of a 15 or 16-year-old child. Moreover, the intelligence of killer whales is reflected in various aspects. For instance, they have their own social system and exhibit both cooperation and competition among individuals. Additionally, killer whales possess a unique language system of their own and know how to pass on hunting skills to the next generations. Squirrel. The adversaries of gardeners are none other than squirrels, as they can be quite mischievous. With their agility in every leap and their perfect combination of calculation and memory, they have often caused headaches for those in the farming industry. If these squirrels were to transform into humans, they could be likened to top military commanders due to their impressive strategic planning, bold tactics, and powerful tricks for survival. Squirrels quickly adapt to their living environment and consume a wide range of food, from flowers, leaves, and branches to various types of seeds and even livestock and poultry feed. Their diligent and thrifty habits ensure they never go hungry, as their nests are always filled with food, even though they never satisfy their full appetite. Scientists believe that squirrels have the ability to hide their food in a cunning and clever manner, much like potential thieves. Pigeons are symbols of world peace and were highly valued for delivering messages during ancient wars. They are most commonly found in large cities in North America. Pigeons are considered one of the intelligent species in the world. Although the density of pigeon populations can sometimes be bothersome to those around them, it cannot be denied that they are capable of accomplishing many tasks. The pigeon's brain is the size of a pea. They have the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, memorize hundreds of different images, classify objects, and even name those objects. They can navigate the shortest, most accurate, and energy-efficient flight paths. Therefore, pigeons have become one of the most welcomed animals in countless scientific experiments. Elephants are the largest land animals and are also listed as endangered species in the Red List. They are highly regarded for their intelligence. Elephants live in a serene and graceful manner, sometimes displaying unique cultural traits. They know how to clean their food in various ways and use different tools for different tasks. They learn a great deal from human teachings, understanding numerous signals and showing care and love for their own kind, as well as other species. Furthermore, elephants have the ability to differentiate human languages and voices. Specifically, researchers have recorded sounds of various ethnic minority groups specialized in elephant hunting in Africa and played them back to elephants. When they hear these recordings, they become extremely frightened and try every means to escape. Conversely, with recordings containing different content, they hardly change their positions. Subsequently, scientists continued recording different individuals such as men, women, and children from those ethnic groups specialized in elephant hunting. When played to the elephants, they only fear the sound of men from that group. Hawks are the most law-abiding traffic enforcers in the world of birds. They are like tattered flags when they walk across the road on a red light. However, scientists highly appreciate their ability to quickly recognize and differentiate various signals. Hawks are classified as one of the most intelligent animals in the world. They are the only non-primate species capable of creating and using tools. For instance, in numerous experiments, hawks have been observed using sticks to reach food beyond their grasp. They can also bend thin metal rods into tools, even though they have never encountered them before. Furthermore, hawks know how to utilize the force of car tires moving on the road to crush certain types of tree nuts and access the food inside. And when the traffic light turns red, they politely collect their food. Hawks can also communicate with humans and recognize their voices. They can play games with humans and, interestingly, they are also skilled at pranks. They are the world's top tricksters because they enjoy playing tricks on other animals, including humans. Dolphins are among the most intelligent creatures in the ocean, and humans have become familiar with them due to their friendly and mischievous nature. Despite their intelligence, they are often forced to perform tricks in captivity. Dolphins are highly social animals that live in pods and exhibit a high level of social order and professionalism. They have their own language, but humans have developed methods to understand them. Dolphins can remember all human behaviors and analyze them in positive or negative directions. They can also perform various tasks such as whistling, surfing, racing, and even thread spinning. Furthermore, scientists have discovered that dolphins possess a superconsciousness similar to humans. They have the ability to comprehend language and show empathy. Particularly, dolphins have an impressive memory. Each dolphin species emits unique sound signals to differentiate themselves from other species. In fact, bottlenose dolphins can remember the sounds of their own kind for up to 20 years. Honeybees. It may come as a surprise, but honeybees are actually among the few insects that possess astonishingly advanced intelligence. Despite having brains smaller than a grain of rice, these bees exhibit intelligence that leaves scientists in awe. As most people know, bees require nutrients from nectar and pollen to survive and develop. Due to this dependence on food sources, their diet is largely influenced by seasons and weather conditions. However, scientists from Switzerland have discovered that honeybees have the ability to manipulate flower blooming to ensure they do not starve during winter. Specifically, these bees have been observed chewing up all the leaves on a branch, stimulating the plant to bloom earlier. The recorded results showed that this action indeed caused the plants to flower up to 30 days earlier than usual. Furthermore, honeybees are capable of maintaining a stable temperature within their hive, avoiding foraging near the hive to prevent attracting predators. Moreover, when pollinating flowers, these insects follow intricate and complex pathways that even computers struggle to decipher. Bowerbirds. In addition to parrots and crows, which are renowned for their intelligence within the bird family, bowerbirds are equally remarkable. These birds are quite common in the forests of eastern and northwestern America, and they are known for their exceptional ability to mimic the calls of other bird species in a highly skilled manner. These cunning bowerbirds often imitate the calls of hawks to snatch prey, steal eggs, and deceive other bird species. Recently, a study conducted at the University of Cambridge revealed that bowerbirds possess a remarkable ability to endure and suppress their food cravings, similar to humans. Specifically, researchers conducted experiments by offering bowerbirds various types of food, and to access their favorite delicacy, such as worms, the birds had to wait longer. Despite being hungry, they willingly passed up less enticing food options, specifically bread, during the experiment. Once they realized that they would receive a greater reward by patiently waiting, these birds accepted the challenge and successfully completed the experiment. Cats. When it comes to highly intelligent animals that are familiar and close to us, we cannot overlook cats. Unlike dogs, which are social, active, and enjoy close companionship with humans, cats tend to be more aloof and less overt in their behavior. It is for this reason that many people mistakenly believe that cats are less intelligent than dogs or other animals. However, in reality, scientific research has shown that cats are highly capable of imitation. According to a study conducted in Hungary and published in the journal Animal Cognition, cats have the ability to perceive and imitate the actions of other animals or even humans intentionally. Cats can learn to open drawers, turn around, shake hands, touch objects with their paws, and accurately repeat over 80% of the 18 human actions observed during the study. Furthermore, the brain of a cat is structurally complex. A study by neuroscientist Susanna Herculano-Hausel estimated that cats have approximately 250 million nerve cells in their brains. This allows them to have better short-term memory and the ability to infer human emotions through body language. Dogs. It is widely known that dogs are highly intelligent animals. In fact, scientists believe that dogs have intelligence comparable to that of a 2-year-old child, and numerous studies have shown their remarkable learning abilities. An exemplary example is the experiment conducted by Corin, the author of several famous books on dogs and their behavior. Through observation, he revealed that dogs can learn how to exchange behaviors for rewards, analyze the shortest route to their favorite spot, the fastest way to reach their beloved bed, and even learn how to use tools, such as opening a door latch or operating simple machinery. Furthermore, dogs have the capacity to comprehend language equivalent to that of a 12 to 18-month-old child. On average, a dog can learn around 165 words, and some highly intelligent dog breeds can even learn up to 250 words. While giving commands to dogs to perform specific actions, they can understand certain key language cues during the process. It is entirely possible to train dogs to execute behaviors using commands in a remarkably easy manner.